Morning teacher, I'm going to present the English curriculum for EGB Media. Okay, this presentation explores the EGB Media, EFL. This is English as a Foreign Language curriculum, designed to empower the students to express basic needs and ideas in English. We achieve this through engaging, sensory-rich learning activities that involve the students emotionally, cognitively, and physically in meaningful real-life tasks within a safe and supportive environment. Our goal is to foster confident communicators who appreciate cultural diversity. Foundational pillars of the EFL curriculum. Communication and cultural awareness. Students learn to use English for talking, sharing, and understand while also developing respect for diverse cultures and effective teamwork skills. They enhance their English proficiency through listening, frequent speaking, and fun interactions. Teachers cultivate a secure space for practice, exploration, and enjoyment in using English. In oral communication, students become confident listeners and speakers in authentic situations, utilizing context and foundational vocabulary. They also develop the ability to understand main ideas and identify speakers in everyday conversation without needing to decode every single word. This focus on mindful interaction that promotes natural language acquisition. Developing literacy and creative expression. In reading comprehension, students learn to read for various purposes, enjoying effective strategies to understand engaging text. They connect reading to other subjects in real-life scenarios in an enjoyable manner, fostering a lifelong love for reading and critical thinking skills. Empower writing. In writing activities help students become confident and creative writers capable of clear expression. They learn to utilize digital tools for editing and collaboration, with teachers providing step-by-step guidance to make reading both fun and purposeful. Language through the arts. This approach facilitates English learning through creative expression. Students use their imagination and express themselves through storytelling, singing, drawing, acting, and collaborative projects, enhancing their language skills in an artistic way. Key performance criteria for sustainable media, EDB. Communication and cultural awareness. Students communicate respectfully and comprehend for other cultures, utilizing both verbal and nonverbal language effectively in diverse social situations. In oral communication, students listen and speak confidently in real-life situations, applying context and basic vocabulary to convey their ideas and understand others. Reading comprehension. Students demonstrate understanding of context by identifying key ideas and employing simple, age-appropriate reading strategies for various purposes. In writing proficiency, students produce short, current and text and effectively use digital tools for editing, enhancing their writing communication and collaborative skills. In cultural threats on learning objectives, communication and cultural awareness demonstrate ability to use diverse sources for oral and communication to interact in social situations. An example could be singing songs that practice helpful language. In oral communication, understand my ideas, speaker, and situation in spoken text in familiar context without decoding every word. For example, listening to a short conversation and identify speakers, location, and feelings. In reading, demonstrate comprehension of most details in short online print text and follow simple instructions if illustrated. Example, completing gaps from reading using words from a box. And the writing section, create simple learning resources to record and practice new words and their meanings. Example, creating a class picture dictionary with definitions. In assessment, criteria and guidelines. Performance criteria. These define what a student can achieve after learning, moving beyond mere recall to problem solving, decision making, and creation. They outline the observable actions students can perform to demonstrate mastery. In graduate profile contribution, all subjects collectively contribute to forming well-rounded individuals who are prepared for the society. This includes fostering local thinking and commitment to lifelong learning, respect creatively, fairness, supportiveness, and responsibility. In indicators are small, observable signs or clues that gauge students' progress and improvement. They provide evidence of learning, helping teachers track how well students are acquiring necessary skills and knowledge. In methodological guidelines, these guidelines assist teachers in planning effective institutional methods and evaluation strategies. They ensure that teaching approaches align with learning objectives and that assessment methods are fair and comprehensive. Integrating ICT for enhanced English learning. Advantages of ICT integration. ICT allows students to develop technological skills while creating original text like stories, songs, and poems. Tools like storybrite.com um, promote creativity and teamwork, offering dynamic ways to practice language skills. And challenges for ICT integration. A primary concern is student distraction. A single click can lead to social media, diverging concentration. Over reliance and digital tools might also diminish manual creativity, potentially making hands-on activities seem less engaging. English creativity and culture. Beyond grammar rules, English language learning extends beyond just rules and grammar. True understanding belongs with practice, making the implementation as this educational level crucial for developing practical language skills. Imagination and cultural immersion. By creating imaginary stories and integrating cultural elements, students can significantly develop their English proficiency. This approach encourages a deeper, more meaningful engagement with the language. Active engagement. Students can develop role plays, short plays, or other interactive activities that allow them to actively use and expand this vocabulary in a dynamic and memorable way. Thank you for your attention.